Oh, he's talking to you.
Chasing that little boy.
Okay, run again. See if they follow you.
Yeah, it's like pins down, right?
Maybe we have a camera.
I didn't even put it on my phone. Send it to Kelly.
He truly is Monkey Boy.
Yep, true monkey boy, and they can tell it. Give him the evil face, Cam. They're telling you off. Well, I hope they don't break that glass. You're a dead boy.
Yeah.
Keep it going. I'm keeping it for
Give him
you,
a
Mom.
face. Give him the monkey boy face.
Give him the monkey face. Come back this way. Come back this way so they'll follow you.
They're after you.
Stop and bang the glass with them. Stop and make faces at them.
They want to kiss you now. Look at it.
You done? So crazy. I'll just send it to Kelly and LD.
Monkey boy.
I think it was about him. Cam, you can't have to run over people. Oh!